Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video I will answer the question, what is VLOOK in Excel? So this is probably a question where someone forgets the full name of it or is not really sure what's the full name. So VLOOK is not a real function in Excel because we call it the VLOOKUP function, or in other words, the V stands for vertical, so vertical lookup function. So what is it? And how to use it? Well, what is it? VLOOKUP is a function to search vertically. Yes, vertically. You can see here we have a vertical list of values, and what we want is we want to get the grade here. With the VLOOKUP, you are going to search for vertically the information here and get the matching value that you want to extract. That's really what you want to do, and that's how it works. And the best way to show it is by using this here. You can see it here. So it's very simple. First of all, what do you want to do? In our situation here, we have a grade, and what we want to do is we want to extract the grade from the list here, but we wanted to get it through a formula, the VLOOKUP formula. So how to do this? First of all, start here at the place where you want to extract or where you want to display the grade. And then in here you type in VLOOKUP, open parentheses. And once, if you do that, you'll see now you get all suggestions. This is what we call the Excel helper. Well, we don't need this. I will just click on this so we get the complete formula builder. You can see here we have the formula builder, and in here we can just answer these 4 questions. And if you answer this, this will show exactly what you want. So you can see here, Allison here is a test score of 96, is basically a letter A+. So we're going to get this as well. So in the VLOOKUP, what is the VLOOKUP value? What's the value you want to compare with? In this case, 96 is the value. Second question, table array. So where can we find in Excel the location of the value and the value that you want to extract? So you can see here, this is our table array, because here we have the test score list and our grades that's matching with our test score. So we select all of these. And then the next question is column index number. Where or in which column number can we find the value we want to extract? So if you understand that the test score here is an input, yes, so what you want to do is you want to extract only the answer, and that is the second column here. So table array works with 2 columns, or since the column index number is related to table array. So there are 2 tables here right now. And if this would be extended, let's say we will make this like this. So we have 4 tables. So this is columns. We have column 1, 2, 3, and 4. But of course, in this case, we only have 2 columns. So this is column 1 and this is column 2. So column index number 2, because we want to get the letters out of the list. Final question, is this exact match or range lookup? In our situation, we have a range lookup, meaning that if a value ranges, for example, here from 0 to 60 or below 60, in that case, it is a letter F. So that's a range. If it would be exact, then 53 should be here on the list, because 53 equals a specific grade. So in this case, we have a range lookup. So we type in number 1. As you can see, once you type in number 1, it's true, and the result is A+. Let's click on done and close this formula builder, and there we are. So we're almost done here. We want to now extend this, but if you will extend it right now, you will see you get some errors. And if you look very carefully at the red box here, you will understand why we have the errors. So the reason why we have these errors is simple. Because we have these cells, but these cells are not frozen into place. Meaning, if we drag down, Excel will automatically add +1 to the formula, assuming that the next value should be in this list, and it continues on. So that's not what we want, because we have a fixed list here, so the values need to be fixed. So how to do that? So you go back here, you click on the table array value, which is red, matching with this. We're going to make sure that this is fixed into place. So we type in F4 and now it's fixed. You see the dollar signs, and we type here as well F4. So both of them are now fixed into place. Enter, and now we're done. And now if we drag down, you'll see that the location is maintained in the same, and everything is exactly what we want. So this works perfectly. And now let's give it some tests. So imagine we have this here, and we're going to add in number 60 for Allison. Now you can see the grade changes to letter D. And if we have this number 55, letter F, and if we do this number 40, letter F. Exactly what we have. And if we have a new person here, let's say John or Johnny, and Johnny scores a letter 90, and automatically Excel starts to add up values, and it assumes that this is a part of the list. And that's really wonderful, and you can see it works. If we drag this, nothing changes here. Perfect. This is how you do it. And this is the way how you use the VLOOKUP function and what the VLOOKUP function is in Excel. So if you like these kind of tips and tricks, check out the link below. In there you have a wonderful Excel course that's for free. You can use it, sign up for it, no problem. And if you have also any other question regarding to Excel, just let me know and I will make sure I will follow up back to you.